Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pumpkin pie. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 3 large eggs, and a blend of cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. You'll also need one 9-inch pie crust. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to get started. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process and a perfectly cooked pie. Now, let's create that rich, creamy filling. In a large bowl, combine your pumpkin puree with 3 large eggs and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Next, pour in 1 1/4 cups of evaporated milk. Stir in your spice blend, which includes 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk everything until it's perfectly smooth. With your filling ready, carefully pour it into your prepared 9-inch pie crust. Place the pie on a baking sheet and transfer it to your preheated oven. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the initial 15 minutes. After this time, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue baking for an additional 40 to 50 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once your pumpkin pie is baked to perfection, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for the filling to set properly. After it reaches room temperature, transfer the pie to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours. This ensures a firm, sliceable pie. Serve your delicious creation with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.